I'm Mark Clancy, I'd like to remind you of some of the reasons why you should not chew gum in school. For many years, I'm sure your teachers have told you not to chew gum in school, and there are many good reasons. One of those reasons is because it'll rot your teeth like this guy. Also, you need to keep in mind the effects of secondhand chew. Your chewing gum does not only affect you. So just remember that your chewing gum in school does not only affect you. Be a winner and don't chew. Or at least not in school.